What sets apart us humans from all the other species, however intelligent they are, is our use of language. Language, which is a very sophisticated form of communication, allows us to greatly expand the horizon of our experience. We accumulate individual experiences over time to gain the depth of knowledge that cannot be experienced by any individual. We propagate individual experiences across space to gain the breadth of knowledge that cannot be collected by any individual. This accumulation and propagation of experiences allow us humans to break out of the limitations imposed by an individual entity and to reach the level of intelligence that is not seen anywhere else by anything else. It is then only natural to study human languages, or as often referred to as natural languages, for the purpose of understanding intelligence itself and to ultimately build artificial intelligence. That is precisely the goal of this lecture on natural language processing, which is a part of the course on big ideas in artificial intelligence at New York University. In this lecture, we look at both aspects of natural language, understanding and generation. We approach both of these aspects of natural language processing from the perspective of statistical modeling. That is, we design statistical algorithms that learn to extract meaning of text by observing a large amount of text and detecting various hidden statistical patterns within this body of text. More specifically, we study how the principle of distribution hypothesis and the idea of compression lead to word vectors that encode the meaning of individual words. We then turn the same principle of distributional hypothesis around to derive an algorithm to encode the meaning of a larger chunk of text that is composed of many individual words. Next, we begin our investigation into language generation by contrasting it against more conventional classification and realize that language generation can be framed as solving a sequence of classification problems. We look into how these algorithms are combined to form a natural language processing system that can understand and generate language by looking into machine translation as well as image caption generation. In the final part of the lecture, we will identify and discuss limitations of statistical approaches to natural language processing. This discussion on the limitations will hopefully intrigue you to consider studying natural language processing and more broadly artificial intelligence yourself further, and fixing these limitations that are just sitting there to be solved.